We're going to the Kazoobie Museum. Kazoos! Kazoo Museum. Look, girls, it's a whole wall of kazoos. Look!
Look, you can listen.
Giant kazoo. Listening to the... What does it sound like, Lily? Is it silly? What does it sound like?
It sounds funny.
It does?
What's this?
Oh, it is funny.
People, look. People, come over here.
That's a giant kazoo, girls. Look at that giant kazoo. No, not on that kazoo. That's a giant structured kazoo. Ooh, Ringo Starr had a kazoo. Ooh, Mr. Roger had a kazoo in 1992. All these artists that had kazoos in their music. Ooh. That's different sounds of kazoos, girls.
There's Ninja Turtle.
That flag is made of all kazoos. Look.
Kermit the Frog.
Kermit the Frog used a kazoo. Look at that kazoo has a bird on it. These are all different kinds of kazoos. Oh, look. Turtle Power Kazoo with Ninja Turtles. Oh, even the Raisins had kazoos. A Mickey Mouse kazoo.
Look at that.
That's cool.
And there's the Chuck E. Cheese one.
No, they're not. There's a Mickey Mouse kazoo and a rabbit kazoo.
Oh, it's a Ninja
That's
Turtle.
Woody the Woodpecker kazoo.
Where?
Chipmunks. That's really cool.
I don't see Woody the Woodpecker.
He's right there.
Oh, I see.
Elma, look, Ma. Teddy Ruxpin. There's My Little Pony and Trolls and a Beanie Baby. You see Elmo?
I want that My Little Pony. And I want the Elmo.
Look, it's a Furby. Ooh. Look at the Furby and the troll. And it's a light bright with Darth Vader. Look, this kazoo's from 1884.
What the heck?
That's like the first kazoo. Evolution of early kazoos. These are all different kinds of kazoos. This one looks like it came from the circus.
What the heck?
Hum and drum. It's a drum kazoo. Ooh, look at this one. Cookie combo. That's cool. Some of these kazoos are made out of like steel and metal. That's really cool, Lily. See them all? Ooh, look at that one. That's a lot of kazoos. Alright, let's go look at other kazoos. Girls, this flag's made out of kazoos. It's over here.
Kazoo maker.
Kazoo maker? No, put those back. We'll get a kazoo at the gift shop. Don't worry.
I want to make one.
We are gonna make one next time we go on a tour. We'll go. Want to do the tour next time? We didn't get time to do the tour today, girls, but next video we'll have the tour. Is this the kazoo gift shop, girls?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Can you mix up?
These are all different kazoo shapes. These are cool. These are actually kazoos.
What's this?
That's a kazoo as well. Instrument kazoo.
Cool.
That's cool. Do you girls want an instrument kazoo? These are actual kazoos shaped like instruments. And these ones are shaped like planes and cars. That's like Woody the Woodpecker. Kind of cool. Kind of looks like him, but it's like a chicken over there. These are ukuleles, girls. We're not getting ukuleles today, but they're really cool. You guys can pick out one of these kazoos. I think you guys should get an instrument kazoo. These are cool. Do you want that one, Riley? Girls, let's get the instrument kazoo. That's cool. All these different kinds of kazoos. All right, girls, let's go check out.
Okay, Mom.
This was cool. Oh, look, we can make a souvenir kazoo penny. They are cool. Look, they made a light fixture shaped like a kazoo.
Where?
Pretty cool, right there. See that? You're right. You're standing right next to it. Look, it's right there. It's like a Christmas tree light fixture shaped like a kazoo.
Ooh, I like the giant one.
Whoa, that's not a kazoo. That's a recorder. We're getting our kazoos today, and we're gonna hopefully be able to do the tour next time, okay?
Okay.
You wanna do the tour?
Yes.
Next time we'll do the tour in the next video. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Okay, making music with your kazoos, girls. Okay. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, Lily, this started in 1915 and they're from New York. Pretty cool. Okay, do you want one of those too?
Yeah.
I actually used to have one of these when I was a kid. I used to buy these. You each get one?
I have to get those from the UK. They're hard to like find.
Oh, I used to eat these when I was a
Right? They're
kid. They
cute.
whistle.
And the little bottom. comes
Girls,
out.
you get one each. These actually whistle. I used to have these when I was cool. These are cool. All right, well, nothing else because they will buy the whole store literally. And that's a wrap in the Kazoo Museum. Tour next time. At the Kazoobie Kazoo Museum. That was cool. Riley's got her whistle. Look, clicker. Whistle pop. Lily, you gonna try it? Is it good? You gotta pull the yellow lever down and make the whistle sound. You gonna do it? You gotta blow into the whistle. Riley's blowing into the whistle, making music. Good job, girls. Whistle candy. All right.
Kazoos!